Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mix Manai Journey. I hope everybody is doing good. Kadu ko bita me senang pusinili ning thelo lapen aprang a video long seta me nang litum views nangi pidun comments nangi pidun tum han seta me choro parlo lapen pini a video bangke nili pini bangsi types of pini kalite pini amang bangsi nili nang mane video salam iklo nang litum taning dokpo pusinili ning thelo lapen jongsi lahaya mang long ko pini kache tonte ke chok che do plote ke chengpen dia cho hanglo athimani li ta ke thek pi ke kali bon se tame ke thak bear tum han kali te sabso ni li ta research pen arju pen si la so video se mar do la si video le pangching pon thu iklo na let's start the video. So friends, there are two types of pini worn by the Karbi ladies. This is Pini Kamphlak and the pink one is Pini langpong. This is called Pini langpong because it is round in shape and it does not cut any vertical size of it, and it is usually worn at home and does not regard it as formal, but usually worn at home or either in a casual way. It is not regarded as the main traditional one. So this is known as Pini langpong, and it's completely similar with the sadar mekhela, but this is only the mekhela. So labangke pini langpong la labangke mostly hem si iliga ching thang diti hedi labangke pini langpong pulo. And these are the Pini Kamphlak, a fully traditional Karbi wrappers. So this is fully woven, hand woven. It is not weave in any machine. So it is like you can see I have opened it. It has varieties of color, and today I will be showing or mentioning different types of motifs that are very common in all these pini. And Pini Kamphlak we mostly wear just above our ankle. It does not cover our full leg. So Pini Kamphlak should be worn just above the. And the first one is called Theboahi with amarbong. La angbong bangke amarbong pulo la amang bangke Theboahi pulo tahodon marlietum. La bangke Theboahi lo. La pen la purple color bangke mirapu amang lo la bangke. Ala paita sabso do hedi. Lang me pick on purple color inka la bangke ahi cherop pulo tahon. Latam asap so mira pu penching le thoi anseta asap so ka chiprek dolang ahi cherop pulo labangke. Inke labangke asuwe pu apini lo tho labangke aprang hako penseta asuwe pu bangke chethang pik an non bang belek kapre color ta do hedi labangke asuwe apini pulo tho. Labangke pini mek prok mane ang ton tur tip titi hedi lapen Rolex jor tip labangke kot amir amang lo ansitame labangke pini mek prok lo. Inke labangke cheklo longso amar bongke do cheklo longso apini lo. Hala pink color ta hala bangke non hode cheklo longso bang lo. Inke la number 7 na bangke labangke pen na hi polo tang. Pen na hi pa pini lo. Labangke mira pulo labangta bon sitame labangke amarbong jorthi babanglo. Inke la number 9 na bangke labangke sobai ahi alapayamang. Inke la number 10 na bangke labangke ahi chingdat pulo tahola don marli tum labangke ahi chingdat wa pinilo amoy ta labangke hem si machine pen lekeroi kali. Inke la bangke api dop pulo thola so pot bangke akalar kaprek ta do hedi la bangke ako pen ta kache thang api ni design la langke api dop pulo. Inke la number 12 bangke pini jangre pulo ta don marli tum hala ali. Inke la bangke original sibu ke jok api ni lo navy blue. Thank you so much for watching guys. Laso a video la pen apini pen kolo amang bang sinang lining ke dok nai ma comments lang nang pi iknon la pen nang ning dok lote laso video share ik tha comments ik tha la pen views ta me answer se kelang pa che thang pon thu ik non la si choro parlo ka do ka we ta do me thak me kurwang thu. Don Marli tum Pini Amang ke an suse ki ong lang to ta do non modern hot ke kaprek ta do o lang ta me nili cover labun edet lo long a ling pu amang ta do lang ta hola pen bo a ka mek pa a design ta do thola si ko son bang le nang li tum chini plote comment salong nang pi ik na. Bye bye.